a Yoruba man from Ile-Ife invaded Idu Kingdom, which is present-day Edo State, which comprises Eshan land, Igodomigodo land. And that community, now called Bini, was founded by a man, a prince from Ile-Ife called Oromiyan. Now, my question goes this way. Is Oromiyan an Ishan name? No. Is Oromiyan an Igodomigodo name? No. Is Oromiyan an Igbo name? No. Which people in this country bear Oromiyan as a name? Is the Yoruba people. Well, if you just hear the name Oromiyan, the first thing that will come to your mind is Yoruba. Yoruba are the only people that bear that name Oromiyan. So, what will you call the descendants of that Oromiyan? You call them Yoruba people, because descendants of Oromiyan are Yoruba. Even if they don't speak another language, even if they don't speak Yoruba language again, they are what? They are Yoruba people. Every descendant of Oromiyan, the prince from Ile-Ife, Yoruba land, is a Yoruba person. Okay, so another of my question goes this way. Why is it that the children of Eze Chime, Akalaka, Anaba are being considered Bini people and they are not considered Igbo people? Because I don't understand. The names are Igbo names. Eze Chime, Akalaka, Abuluaka, Anaba, and others that ran back from Idu land to settle with their brothers in present-day Anioma, Ikwere, and others. So these people bearing Igbo names, these ancestors, Akalaka, Eze Chime, and others that are bearing Igbo names, what are we going to call their descendants? It's Igbo.